Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So real quick, I know I didn't set up to record because I wasn't planning it, but I thought, this will be a great keto quick recipe. Now, what I have here is just a little bit of onion I chopped up, some celery, and some rotisserie chicken, the white and dark meat, and some skin that I just cut up. You can't see it that great. And here's the rotisserie chicken. Now, I'm only going to use a little bit of mayonnaise, and I mix sour cream in with it. If you watch, some people say make your own mayonnaise, which I like to do, but I'm not doing today. Some people use this. So some people use Miracle Whip. You know, just use a little bit. When I started keto, it's what I used, and I had no problem losing weight. Now, what I do with these rotisserie bones is I'm going to save them, and I cut up, I have some of the celery and onion that I did not use. I'm sorry for the shadows. And what I'm going to do is put a little bit of carrot in there, put it in the refrigerator with that. And tomorrow I'm going to put it in my, you could do your crock pot, you could do over, you know, on top of the stove, your pressure cooker, whatever you have, and make your own bone broth, which is delicious and so good for keto. So especially when you're starting and you get like the hunger jitters, it has good minerals and stuff in it. So I love just cooking everything out of that rotisserie. So you get a twofer. Now this one was kind of small, so I didn't get that much meat. I mean, it's just for Dave and I, so we're not having much because it's keto, but I think you see what it is. So I will show you what it looks like when it's done. I'm going to add some salt, pepper. I do enjoy some garlic powder in there. I don't put fresh garlic because it's a bit too much, but I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okie dokie. So you can see it's mixed. Can you? Because the lighting is really bad. I've tried. I don't know which way to go. Anyway, all right, enough playing. So you could see it is delicious, and this is going to be perfect in a low-carb wrap or just to eat with a spoon or a fork. This is really good to take to like lunch if you work. Just make it, put it in a container, eat it. It's delicious. Sometimes I don't do it when I'm on keto, but sometimes I take a couple grapes and cut them up, like quarter them, and put them in there so like you get a really good, delicious like little crunch. So I want to give you one little thing here. This is Himalayan salt, and it's pink, and it's our favorite thing. I have it in already grated. I got this at Walmart, and then I have the turn one, you know, that's already like you have to like turn it to grate it. Delicious. But I'm going to give you a little tip. Go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those kind of places. You can get really cheap keto stuff. Like you can get, that's where I got my Himalayan salt grinder, and just you can get other things. I don't know if you can see the everything seasoning. I got that at Walmart. So, you know, keep your eyes open, and I got more recipes coming. I'm going to have another recipe this week, a proper one, but I was making this and I thought, why not share this? It doesn't look very appetizing at the moment, but because of my shadows, but it is so good. Let me see if I'll move it over here. A little bit better, but yeah, you could see it. It is delicious. It really is. And I added a little bit of sour cream just to help extend, because you can have a little bit of sour cream as well to extend the mayonnaise, and season it up. Salt, pepper, garlic powder is my favorite, but maybe you like it spicy. Maybe you like other things. And like I said, let me know down below if you want me to show you how I do the bone broth. It's very simple. It'll be like a minute video, but I'm telling you what, I'm somebody who likes to get, you know, more stuff for my buck. You know what I mean? And if I can get more uses out of something, I'm going to do it. So, as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Let me know what you guys think about this, and what's your favorite keto recipe. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye-bye.